Hello, I am Enrique Barra, and we are going to see how to add Redux to our Tic-Tac-Toe React application. We have everything structured in a GitHub repository, and you can either check it online or download the code from the starting repository with React to the Redux. That is what we are going to do now. Both of them are in two different branches, and you can check them in these two URLs that you have here. What are the steps that we are going to follow? Well, in the first place, we are going to install what we need, that are two npm packages, that are Redux for the Redux API, the library, and React Redux, some utilities to integrate them. React and Redux, I mean. Then we are going to define our initial state in the constants, the actions that we will perform in a tic-tac-toe, the reducers, to combine the reducers that we will create, these reducers, that will be two, in fact, the turn and the values, the special components to join React and Redux, that is called Redux Provider, and we will have to render it instead of our app. And finally, we will have to modify our app to dispatch the new actions instead of modifying directly the state. This way, we are going to integrate everything, and we will have our application with Redux together with React. Okay, let's start and let's code it. Well, the first thing that we are going to do is install Redux and React Redux and save it into our package.json. Perfect. I leave it there installing, and we are going to continue with the second step. Perfect. It has already installed these versions. Perfect. We are going to then create the structure. A new folder called constants, with a file inside, constants, JSX, sorry. Perfect. I'm going to take the constants from my application, that are these two, player X and player 0, and the third one, that is the initial state for my values. Perfect. Const values. Okay, I have to export because I need to use them from other files. And this is the initial look of our constants file, player X, player 0, and values, just to set the initial state that we will have into Redux. Okay, let's continue. We are going to create now a new folder called reducers, and inside it we are going to add a new file for the actions. Remember, the actions are just JavaScript objects with the information indicating what happened. So, how is our first actions? We need, for a tic-tac-toe, a play movement that we are going to call play position, and the action is just a JavaScript object, but it is created with an action creator. So export function play position. I need X and Y and the turn. That is the information that I need to perform any change, and I'm going to return an action that is a JavaScript object, as you can see here. How is the action? Well, each action what has is a type, that is a string, and then data. And turn. So this is just a function that receives X, Y, and turn, and returns this JavaScript object. This is an action creator.